everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the congratulation messages are pouring in for Gugu Gumede, known as MaMlambo, on Uzalo SABC1. Guys, yesterday she revealed her pregnancy on social media, accompanied by a sweet message to her unborn baby. She shared 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 27 to 8. For this child I prayed, and the Lord hath given me my petition which I ask of him. I have often been asked where I got the strength to continue after my mother's passing. I got it from my unborn child. At her funeral, as I stood at the podium and spoke on my queen's behalf, I was not alone. The strongest heart was beating inside of me, reviving me. I'm alive today because of it. My baby, you are your grandmother's answered prayer. She was so excited to meet you, even though you did not get to meet in the physical realm. I know she is currently holding you in the spiritual. My darling, every move and every kick of yours within me is a testament of God, of both God and my mother's continued love for me. You have changed me in ways that are inexplicable. We cannot wait to meet you. Oh guys, I was so touched by her message. 2021 was indeed a bittersweet year for Gugu, celebrating her pregnancy and on the other side mourning her mother. Guys, Gugu bought herself a beautiful house and a car in 2020 during the lockdown. We wish her all the best. To leave your comment below guys and share your love with her. Bye.